My name is Marcus Harris. I'm a Chicago-based software and intellectual property attorney. My office has developed one of the nation's leading practices devoted to drafting, negotiating, and litigating software-related agreements with vendors like Oracle, Microsoft, and SAP. Now, my office negotiates a wide variety of different technology-related agreements, and two of the most common are software as a service agreements and traditional software licensing agreements. And the basic difference between the two is that with a traditional software license agreement, you purchase a license to use software which is then implemented and installed on servers at your location. With a SaaS model, what you are doing is purchasing the right to access software, typically over the internet, and that software is usually hosted in the cloud. Some of the important considerations you need to keep in mind when deciding which model is right for you is your need to customize the particular software. In a traditional software license agreement model, you're going to have the ability to customize and modify the software or pay for the vendor to customize and modify that software on your behalf. In a SaaS model, you really are stuck with whatever the vendor is offering to you. If you need a particular piece of functionality that's not included with the SaaS product, or you find that a piece of functionality is desirable, you really are going to be out of luck. One of the other important considerations you need to keep in mind is price. With a traditional software license model, you're going to run into a three-tiered pricing structure, and it includes the upfront license fee, which is a fee that you pay to access and use the software product. You're also going to run into consulting fees associated with the implementation and installation of the software, and you're also going to pay software maintenance fees for the life cycle of that particular product for as long as you're licensing it. With a SaaS model, it's really much simpler. You're going to pay a monthly fee to use the software. It can be an annual fee or it could be a biannual fee. It really depends on the particular vendor that you have selected. And you may also pay some incidental fees for some collateral services that that particular vendor is providing to you. I think when you're deciding between the two, you really need to think about what your needs are, and that's really going to be dependent on what your choice is with respect to the two different models. With a software as a service model, you've got some attractive choices. The difference in price is substantial, and I think a monthly fee is certainly much more attractive than an annual license fee. You also need to consider that with the SaaS model, the price associated with implementing and installing the software is going to be considerably cheaper and considerably faster. With the traditional software licensing model, though, you really do have the ability to customize and modify that software to meet your particular needs. With the SaaS model, you just don't have that option available to you, and it really is a one-size-fits-all type of proposition. So I think with the SaaS model, you also need to keep in mind issues associated with confidentiality, data integrity, and certainly your ability to easily transfer your data from that particular SaaS product to another vendor in the event that you're going to switch software vendors. If you have any questions about any of the issues in this video or any of our other videos, feel free to give our office a call at 312-263-0570. Thank you.